Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Netflix. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Netflix and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we go to clear cache. In the end, in this page, you'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.